Okay.
Exbury North, Exbury North. Change here for Doomsday U and the American Garden. The train now standing at this platform is the 3:15 for Exbury Central, Southampton and London Waterloo. Due to engineering work, there'll be a bus service between Exbury Central and Southampton. Well, we try to run our weekend services properly. But never mind that. Welcome to a very beautiful Exbury Gardens. In fact, Exbury Gardens at its best, because the final piece of the jigsaw has just dropped into place, the deciduous azaleas behind us there. We've had the evergreen azaleas making banks of colour now for a couple of weeks. The rhododendrons, as you can see, flowering in profusion all around us, and now the deciduous azaleas. And that means the gardens are looking just the way that Lionel de Rothschild intended them to when he started work 90 years ago. But of course then, all he wanted was a rhododendron and azalea garden. But his eldest son added a lot more to it, so it now does flower through the rest of the year. But of course, it can never match the colour that we have at the moment. So you are seeing Exbury as it should be. But more to come, as I say. There's a late flowering magnolia just behind us there. The handkerchief tree will be coming out in about 3 weeks to a month. So this will go on, new things right the way through the rest of the summer and into the autumn. Wherever you go, it's going to be beautiful. Of course, the traditional walk is to go past Exbury House and through Homewood to the top pond. You can see all those huge koi carp there. And then down the cascades to the azalea bowl, which is very beautiful, and if you've got the energy, it's quite a nice day to go through the winter garden down to the Beauty River. And when you come back, go the other way, up to the tennis court tea rooms, turn down Lovers Lane and go through Witch's Wood. Lovely walk right the way round the gardens that. But if you've done it before, then how about another suggestion? This end of the gardens is also very beautiful, and a lot of people never see it because they come here every year and they always turn left over the bridge and go to Exbury House. So right up to Augustinii Corner over there, some wonderful colour, and there
coming back to the station now. The end. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Oh, great.